Ready to turbocharge your client's business with the power of AI using Vapi AI? First, head over to the Vapi AI website, ideally shared by your team or a client. If you're a client, access it through the instructions given by your team, then locate and click the registration or login button, depending on where your clients are along their implementation process. If you're registering, fill out the basic information: name, email, and create a strong password. If you're logging in, enter the credentials provided by you or your team. Once logged in, you'll arrive at the Vapi AI dashboard. This is Command Central. Explore the different tabs and options to get familiar with the user interface. Look into the Client Setup or Settings section, sometimes labeled as Integrations or similar, since these names may vary. Now, under Client Setup, you'll typically find options to integrate with existing tools. These could include email platforms, CRM systems, or other business applications. Select and connect the tools your clients use by following the straightforward prompts and instructions. You may be asked to provide access credentials for various business solutions. After the integration is successfully completed, you will see a confirmation message. Next, personalize the setup. Set up workflows based on specific needs of your client. This involves defining the types of messages the AI should send. You may need to customize the AI's tone and define triggers for automated responses. Finally, test your setup. Send sample messages and simulate potential client inquiries to ensure the AI responds appropriately. Monitor the AI's performance. Adjust settings as needed to refine the client's communication. Congratulations! Your client is now leveraging the power of Vapi AI.